Version 10 of the software has brought us some very cool advancements. We hit the entertainment pane, we have Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and tutorials. When Netflix is booted up, the screen here looks very much like it would look on Apple TV, Roku, or your computer. I'm going to call up Ozark, because I actually mix Ozark and I know what it sounds like. Let's go. You obviously have to be parked for this to work. And you can use the steering wheel knob for volume. And you can scrub very much like you would on Netflix elsewhere.
If you try to fight this, it will cost you a lot more than
the sound is full, rich, enveloping.
Which is why you asked to meet me alone.
And accurate.
You were afraid.
Same works for Hulu. Just takes in a quick sec here. And of course, YouTube.
Beautiful, beautiful thing to say.
So, in version 10 of the software, in addition to radio stations, streaming, things from your phone, we also have a dedicated Spotify app. This is a way for you to connect to your premium Spotify account. I have some artists that I've set aside here, but if you want to add an additional artist, simply hit the magnifying glass and type in the artist or band that you're looking for. In this case, let's say Led Zeppelin. And it'll load the album. And I can play whatever song I want. And then just hit the plus sign, and that will now add that to artists. There's Zeppelin.
Hey, hey, mama said the way you move gonna make you sweat.
And you can use the arrows on the steering wheel knob to advance to the next song, just as before. New releases, there's genres and moods. It's very comprehensive. It actually has a huge listing of things that Spotify offers, as well as like comedy channels. So that's Spotify. Let's also talk about Karaoke. This is a very entertaining thing for your passenger or yourself. All you need to do is browse the library of many, many songs as an actual Disney category, because obviously you can sing a lot of the whole Disney soundtracks. Karaoke is great because it allows you and your passenger to be entertained while seeing the lyrics on the screen, very much like you would at a karaoke bar, and the ability to hear vocals or not hear vocals so that you can sing. Let's see, let's browse Shake It Up. That's that Taylor Swift song, right? Let's play it. There's a little icon of a microphone with a slash through it. That means it will not play the vocals. This is not the original artist, so you can sing along here. Got nothing on my brain. If we unmute that. So that's Karaoke. And the USB setting allows you to use your flash drive and play songs that you've pre-selected. Version 10 software also introduces auto lane change in Navigate on Autopilot. It does eliminate the process of using your turn signal to initiate the lane change. But there is one caveat, and I noticed that each time auto lane change commences, Autopilot requires you to tug at the steering wheel before it'll make the auto lane change. Driving visualization allows you to pinch and zoom the graphics of your car and its surroundings. It helps you see what's ahead and around you more easily. Advanced Summon Mode is still in beta testing, and I did experience a few hiccups. I'm testing it out in an empty parking lot, but in a bit I'll show it to you with more cars around. The mobile app allows you to move your position on the map, and when you press and hold Go to Target, the car will indeed make its way to you. A simpler button push, which is called Come to Me, is just that, a quick trip to you within visual sight. The speed is slow, and the distance is limited, but eventually, I see it being more useful, although it is pretty cool. On the mobile app, there's a feature labeled Close Windows and Vent, which leaves the windows open a crack. Close Window allows you to close all the windows of the car with a quick button press. All right. Additionally, we have some service features. The wheel configuration. My car has the 19-inch sport wheels, but obviously there are options for the Aero and the Performance. You can also reset the tire sensors. Under safety and security, we have something called Joe mode. Joe is obviously a user that wrote in and said, you know what, I'd love to be able to have the chimes be quiet. So enabling Joe mode reduces the volume of your chimes. So that's on, off. The web browser is much more useful and way faster than it used to be. I signed on earlier to sign up for a premium account so that I could demonstrate the app. But if we type in Google, you'll see it'll go very quickly to that web page. It was previously unusable. The navigation mode also has some presets for things like home. It can navigate you there very instantly. Work. Hungry. Go to the website, see what the menu is. Several months ago, Autopilot never would have been able to allow this car to drive as adeptly as it is on Topanga Canyon. You can only use these things when the car is parked. Let's go under Toy Box. We have additional games under the arcade. Cuphead. I can't play Cuphead because I need to actually plug in a compatible game controller in the USB jack. But of course, we've had Beach Buggy Racing for quite some time, chess, and of course all the games that we've had previously. The theater tab is right next to the arcade tab, which is under the Toy Box. Finally, we have multiple camera angles recorded on your flash drive from the dash cams. In addition to the rear camera, I synced up 2 other cameras, labeled left and right repeaters. I look forward to reviewing more great features soon. This was Larry Benjamin. Thank you.